Have you ever asked yourself why my garden doesn't grow the way I expect? Thinking face. Well, today we're exposing 8 big mistakes beginner gardeners make, and how to fix them. We'll talk about nature and plant, why nature is good for plants, and reveal a beginner's guide to gardening that will finally make your plants thrive. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe Seedling because every week we share powerful gardening tips, beginner secrets, and even modern tricks like AI garden tools to save your plants. Don't miss out. 8 big mistakes with questions and answers. Mistake 1. Overwatering ? Why my plants turn yellow? Right finger because too much water drowns the roots. Water only when soil feels dry. Mistake 2. Wrong plant choice ? Beginner gardener problem. Which plants are best to start? Right finger simple ones like basil, aloe vera, or tomatoes. Don't start with sensitive plants. Mistake 3. Poor soil ? Why my garden looks weak? Right finger weak soil equals weak plants. Add compost or organic matter. Remember, nature is good for plants when you let the soil stay alive. Mistake 4. No sunlight ? Why my plants don't grow tall? Right finger most plants need 4 to 6 hours of sunlight. Darkness equals slow death. Mistake 5. Ignoring seasons ? Why does my garden fail at certain times? Right finger every plant has a season. Study what grows well in your area each time of the year. Mistake 6. Planting too close ? Why my garden looks crowded? Right finger plants need space to breathe. Crowding leads to disease. Mistake 7. No observation ? Why my plants suffer without me noticing? Right finger beginner gardeners forget to watch daily. Leaves, stems, and soil always tell a story. Mistake 8. Not using new tools ? What is an AI garden? Right finger today, apps can scan your plants, remind you to water, and give instant solutions. Combining nature plus AI garden equals smart gardening. So, those are the 8 big mistakes beginner gardeners make. Now you know how to avoid them, your plants will thank you. Herb, tell me in the comments, which mistake have you made before? And don't forget, hit subscribe because this is just the beginning of your beginner's guide to gardening. Together, we'll explore more secrets of nature and plants, why nature is good for plants, and even how AI gardens can save your time.